Hi everyone, it's Danielle at YLSunshineDiamonds, and I had to let you know of the great offer. So there's a huge competition happening with Young Living for 100 people to win to an accommodation at Sanctuary Cove to learn more about Young Living, and I really want to go. So I'm on track to win and be one of the 100 people, but I need to increase my Young Living sales. So in order to do that, I wanted to put incentive out there. So anyone, if you haven't started with Young Living or you have started and you're in my team, this is the way that you can get an absolutely amazing gift this month. So I have these little car diffusers here. So see these little car diffusers? They're pretty cool. You put it into your vent of your car and you put the pad and put some essential oil on the pad, put the pad in, and then you close it, put it on your air vent, and then the essential oils are in your car. So it's a great little way to have oils in your car. So in the month of August 2022, do a 150 PV order. That will earn you one of these. And the other thing that will happen is it will get me hopefully to win this incentive to go to Sanctuary Cove. So I'm putting a little prize in for you, a little gift for you, so that hopefully I can earn a gift by increasing my sales. So 150 PV order in August 2022, and you will receive one of these if you're in my team if you do that order this month. And my favorite product at the moment is the Bloom Collagen. I've been taking it for about 3 weeks and I absolutely love the results I'm receiving. So anyway, have a great one, and 150 PV this month gets you a car diffuser for your vent in your car. Have a great one. Bye.